So this is exciting. I'm going to be getting the headband off now, and the first wash on the redness and the started to kind of crust up a bit. So that's all coming off right now, and we'll go through the first wash process. 2 pumps of lotion. We're going to add a little bit of water to the lotion and mix it up. Quite tight, the band's kind of stuck onto the donor area there a little bit. Perfect. Oh man, that feels good. My head's a little bit of a funny shape there. Okay, so he's just tapping the lotion, just tapping it on the transplant area. He's not scrubbing it in or massaging it in, just a tap. Grafts are still very, very delicate, even at this stage, and this is why he's tapping, just a very light tap with the fingertips and the lotion to apply it. And then the donor area, you can massage in there. Of course, you're not going to knock anything out there. It's more just the wound healing in that area. So lotion's on now. Feels actually quite nice, and I'm going to go out, wait for 1 hour with the lotion on, and then I'll come back and we'll do the shampoo. So washing the lotion off now, and of course you don't want to be hitting it with very strong water pressure. It needs to be something quite gentle. Okay, 2 pumps of the shampoo, all lukewarm water. So just foam on the transplant area. Man, that feels great. It's really soothing having that on. So, I mean, it doesn't feel like there's any force or anything on the transplanted area. Very, very gentle. I mean, if you're going to come out here, get this done, spend all your money, you need to protect your investment. Don't be too rough with it. I think those early days of getting the transplant, you want to be very, very careful and just make sure you look after it. Okay, 2 pumps of the shampoo, and now massage the donor area. This shampoo that he's using is MD Bio, so I'll leave a link where you can find that online as well in the video. Okay, now just rinsing with lukewarm water again. Okay, so he's just lightly pressing like some kind of absorbent cloth onto the top of the head now, like dabbing it dry. Okay, just water in the donor area of the beard. So that's it all done. Basically, he dabbed it dry all the way around, dabbed it, the top dry very gently, and that's it.